Alright, before I start this video, I want to say the reason why I've been gone so long is that I've had some personal things going on in my life that has completely killed my motivation for uploading and stuff. But I am back now, so expect regular uploads again. So, let's get into the video. Alright, so today I have an absolute treat for you. This is a 48-inch antique brass Casablanca Four Seasons ceiling fan with oak blades and this aftermarket light kit. I got this fan on OfferUp a couple days ago for $25. Fan was pretty dirty when I got it, but it cleaned up pretty nicely. As you can see, the hang screw has some paint on it. I tried getting that off, but it's so caked on there, it's like not even budging. Because I'm pretty sure it's oil-based paint and it's been on there for however old the fan is. But the fan is from July, I think, July 9th, 1985. And I forget which number it is off. Okay, some big line that day, but unfortunately this fan, the motor was replaced in it, as well as the Inteli-Touch board. So, but the Inteli-Touch board, when I got this thing, was fried. What Inteli-Touch board did it have? Inteli-Touch 3. The reason why this fried is because this little thingy right here let the ghost out, so we're gonna try and get a new one to replace it, and hopefully this board will work again, because the board that I'm using in it right now is actually from my bronze Panama 2. Also, here's the W85 wall control. So yeah, the bronze Panama 2 is out of service at the moment, as I needed the board from that to make this work. So, fan runs very nicely. So I will turn the light and we'll go ahead and show it off. Light kit is actually pretty nice, but I am going to replace it, probably with a K4S in the future. As you can see, it has an XLP motor. And here's the tag. Inteli-Touch. July 9th, 1985. And it was the... whatever that says. Closer look. 649th fan made that day, off the assembly line that day. Rubber flywheel, like all Casablancas. At least before Hunter bought them out. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into the demonstration of this fan. Starting with demo mode. And this light bulb is very temperamental. Little light socket is. As all Four Seasons do, this thing whips. There you go. You can kind of see there now. I only have 25 watt bulbs in there, so it's pretty kind of dark. So we will go ahead and run it through its general settings. Start with the light. Is it the dimmest? And my first actual real Casablanca. And since this fan is from 1985, I do believe it originally had a flick mode board. As inside the switch housing, there's a little sticker that mentions a, what's the abbreviation? LMD. It originally had an LMD in the switch housing for the flick mode board. I just brightened it. Halfway brightness, I guess. And that's full brightness, I believe. Yeah. Not very bright. So, we'll go ahead and start the fan off on speed 1. A little off center, sorry about that. Has a pretty good low speed. Alright, go ahead and kick it up to speed 2 and brighten the light a little bit. The finish is kind of pitted in some spots, as well as tarnished on the blade irons a little bit. Sometime in the future, when I have a little bit of a wider collection of Casablanca ceiling fans, I will eventually put a K55 motor back in this, and if I can, a flick mode board. Even though flick mode's less reliable, it's cool as hell and would be authentic to this fan. Alright, kick it up to speed 3. Wrong button. This fan's already moving a good deal of air. Put up to speed 4. Moved a great deal of air now. The video's already 12 minutes long. Alright, speed 5. And this is pretty much high speed for any 1-inch arm Casablancas. And full throttle. Does have a bit of a wobble. This thing is cranking out the air. I'm sure this thing would be even crazier with 36-inch span blades. I do wish this had stencil though, that would look awesome. Alright, go ahead and do a close-up real quick. Alright, and now spin down. First, top line. And now spin down. Once I get the Inteli-Touch 3 board working for this will probably be permanent in my room. That is, until I get a house, I'll probably be taking this with.